When using the Phonely service, you have the option to use a softphone on your PC or laptop to make and receive calls using your landline number. The softphone shown in this video is not a product created by Phonely, but instead a third-party software that we recommend. However, we also recommend that you still have a physical handset as your main phone line, and not to rely solely on the softphone for all your calls. The product we recommend is called MicroSip. To download it, head to our softphone page and hit download. Once downloaded, you will need to configure the softphone to your Phonely account. To do this, you will need to use the SIP details for your account, which can be requested over the phone or via email. Once you have the details to hand, head back to the softphone and then click on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner and then select Add Account. This will bring up a form where you need to enter your SIP details. The fields you need to fill in are SIP server, username, domain, which is the same as SIP server, and password, all of which are provided in the details we give you. Then you need to change the transport drop-down from UDP to TCP. Then simply click Save and your softphone will be configured. Please note the additional details provided, namely secondary SIP server, DTMF mode, and codecs should not be needed. Now you will be able to make and receive calls via your softphone. They will appear on your screen and you simply need to click Answer to answer the call. If you have any questions, please get in contact with us on 0800 112 5000 or drop us an email at hello@phonely.co.uk.